US ओपन स्क्वॉश ज्युनियर चॅम्पियनशिपीत वस्तादपण जोडून गोंयच्या यश फडतेन इतिहास घडयलो. वास्कोचो खडेकाट स्क्वॉश प्लेयर भारतांतलो मोस्ट प्रॉमिसिंग प्लेयर. ताणें युएसाचे नंबर 1 आयुष मेननाक हरोवन सर्त जिखली. यशाचे घरचे आनी गोंयकारांनी सोशल मिडियाचेर ताची तोखणाय केल्या. मुख्यमंत्र्यान ट्वीट करून परबी दिली. यशान अशीच कामगिरी करची, गोंयचें नांव वयर काडचें म्हूण खेळा मंत्री आसगांवकार उलयलो.
यश दिलीप फडते युएसा भितर ज्युनियर ओपन स्क्वॉश चॅम्पियनशीप जिखून आयला. हांव तेजें मनपूर्वक गोंयचे वतीन आनी देशाचे वतीन हांव तेजें अभिनंदन करतां. आनी तो असोच फुडें सरचो आनी बऱ्यांतले बरो खेळून आनी अशेंच देशान आनी वर्ल्डान नांव दवरचें अशें हांव ताका शुभेच्छा दितां. तेजे वयल्यान तेजे आवय बापायक त्यांचे हांव अभिनंदन करता.
We are all excited. I never expected he will win one of the topmost tournament in the world, and Taka's only because of his hard work, traveling, training in Bombay last 5 months. He was not there in the college. 4.5 months he was serving the duty. He won the nationals. He represented the country. He got the medals, but only because of his hard work. He was able to achieve this title, and looking forward more and more titles for the India. Since I am playing for Goa, definitely like people like now he is in US. Lot of universities are after him. There are universities in India also after him. But I don't want to leave Goa and go anywhere, because Goa is a beautiful place for everything. Whatever, whether I am not, after money or to get sponsorship from Goa, and I am only for. I want to play. He has to play for India. That's it. Nothing else. Request, Chief Minister also. Please look into this, because more and more people wants to come down to Goa and play. He has lot of ideas which I was listening to him, that youngsters should be promoted and all that. But it is that ground reality is not happening. That's I think I expect from Chief Minister that ground reality we should see, and definitely he can do wonders for Goa, because I come from Baina. I have seen. I was a great follower of Parikar for simple reason. They have demolished that Baina, and I was expecting to do well in other fields also. I expect something good to happen from him, but that's it.
गोंय बुद्धीबळ संघटना 23 डिसेंबराक आपल्या 40व्या वर्सांत पावल घालता. ते निमतान वेगवेगळ्यो कार्यावळी संघटनेन दवरल्यात. हातूंत ग्रँड मास्टरांची सर्त तशेंच लोकल प्लेयरांच्या भोवमानाचोय सुवाळो आसतलो. संघटनेन बुधवारा मिडियाक कार्यावळी सांगल्यो.
We want to have the first all the Grand Master tournament in Goa, where players from Europe, Russia and USA will be participating along with players from Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Calcutta. So this is what our thing is on that day. Sports Mr. Manor Asgankar, Babu, whom we affectionately call, he will be also along with us on the 23rd. We will also recognize the efforts put by two houses. One is Mr. Srinivas Dempo and one is Mr. Dilip Salgaonkar, who has always helped young budding chess players to reach their heights. And we will also facilitate all the chess youngsters who have attained some sort of recognition in the world of chess.
आय लिगांत घरच्या मॅचींत कामगिरींत सातत्यान सुदारणा दाखयली ना म्हूण चर्चिल ब्रदर्साचो कोच आल्फ्रेड फर्नांडीस बेजार जाला. सेगीत 5 मॅची चर्चीर हरल्यात. दुसरे वटेन चेन्नई सिटीन पयलें जैत जोडिल्ल्यान तांचो कोच व्ही सौंदरराजन खोशी.
Whatever plans we make, the execution part should be from the players. Now when you do some silly mistakes, and that also the same thing, it has been happening from the last 3 matches. We are conceding in the added time. So it was 0-0 second half, could have been a different story. But when you concede a goal silly as this, the moral also gets down of the players. So every time we rectify this mistake, every time we tell them to see when we are coming towards the fag end of the matches for the normal time or the added time, they have to concentrate. Now that could have been an easy tap in for the corner, or could have been still throw in. But this fellow, see, as I said for the last post-match press conference also, it is lapse in concentration. They easily lose concentration. The players should be consistent enough. So one good match, then the next bad match, it affects the whole team. So that momentum should be carried forward. We were looking up for something good today. From the Aizawl match, we improved a lot to the East Bengal match. So I was very positive today, because we would have come out with being a home match also, and adapting to our natural surface after playing all the 4 matches on AstroTurf. So today was a disappointing result.
We played all the matches very good, but we are not able to get the result. But today we played a little bit better, even though we got the result. I am very happy.
गोंयांत टेबल टेनिसाची रेजिडेन्शियल अकादमी जावंक जाय अशें भारतीय टेबल टेनिस महासंघ आनी आशियाई टेबल टेनिस संघटनेक दिसता. ह्या गजालीचेर राज्यांतल्या टेबल टेनिस संघटनेन सरकाराक सविस्तर प्रस्ताव दिल्लो आसा म्हूण अध्यक्ष वेरोनुनीस सांगता. आतां ते वाट पळयता ते सरकाराच्या बावट्याची.
Our future aim is to have an academy in Goa, which is much needed. A full proposal for the academy, where what we need is basically the infrastructure. It will be basically tripartite thing. Goa TT Association, TTFI and SAI.
गोवा के लिए जो हम सोच रहे हैं कि यहाँ पर पोटेंशियल जो सब जूनियर, कैडेट और छोटे बच्चों में बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो हम ये चाहते हैं कि गवर्नमेंट से रिक्वेस्ट की जाए, गोवा गवर्नमेंट से विद द सपोर्ट ऑफ साई, कि यहाँ पर एक एकेडमी खुले जिसमें सिर्फ छोटे बच्चों को ही रखा जाए, उनका यहीं पर पढ़ाई का भी हो और सारा खेलने का, सारे उनका खाने का, रहने का और सब काम गोवा गवर्नमेंट और साई के सहयोग से हो.
Technical, our Secretary General said, is a technical support, and the coaches support will be given by the SAI, but the infrastructure has to be given by the local government.
इतल्याने बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात. नमस्कार.